My name is Eli. I have 2 babies, and here is my story. Every morning, I wake up before the sun rises. My babies, Leo and Liam, are twins, and they're just a year old. Being their mom is the most challenging thing I've ever done, but it's also the most rewarding. When I open my eyes, I usually hear one of them making soft noises in the crib. It's like they have an alarm system. When one wakes up, the other follows soon after. I get out of bed quietly so I don't disturb my husband, Jack. He works late into the night, so mornings are mostly my responsibility. I tiptoe into the nursery, where I find Leo wide awake and chewing on his blanket. Liam is still lying down, rubbing his eyes. "Good morning, my little troublemakers," I whisper with a smile. The first task of the day is changing their diapers. It's a messy job, but it's one I've gotten used to. Leo wiggles a lot, making it feel like I'm trying to change a diaper on a moving train. Liam, on the other hand, stays still but gives me curious looks, as if he's silently judging how I'm doing. Once they're clean and dressed, I carry them to the kitchen to start breakfast. I prepare their milk bottles while they sit in their high chairs. They babble at each other in their baby language, and sometimes I wonder if they're planning their next mischievous act. While they drink their milk, I quickly clean up the kitchen, loading the dishwasher and wiping down the counters. It's a small victory if I can get that done before they finish. After breakfast, it's bath time. Bathing twins is no small task. I bathe them one at a time to keep things manageable. First, I put Leo in the tub while Liam plays on the bathroom mat with his soft toys. Leo loves splashing around, and by the time he's done, I'm usually half soaked. Liam is more relaxed during his bath, just enjoying the warm water. Once they're both clean and wrapped in towels, I dress them in their little outfits. This part is tricky because they're always squirming, but I've learned to work fast. By this time, Jack is usually awake. He comes into the kitchen, rubbing his eyes and heading straight for the coffee machine. "Morning, Eli," he says with a smile, giving me a quick kiss. Jack helps out by holding one of the babies while I prepare a simple lunch for everyone. Having him around, even for a short time, makes things feel easier. After lunch, Jack leaves for work, and it's just me and the twins again. This is when I try to put them down for their nap. It's not easy. Leo falls asleep quickly, but Liam always fights it. I rock him in my arms, sing lullabies, and even walk around the room until his little eyes finally close. When they're both asleep, the house feels so quiet. I sit down for a moment to catch my breath, but there's always something to do. I fold laundry, clean up the toys scattered everywhere, and maybe grab a quick snack if I'm lucky. When the twins wake up, it's playtime. I lay out their soft playmat with toys and books. They love when I sing silly songs or play peekaboo. Sometimes, they argue over the same toy, even though there are plenty to go around. I step in to keep the peace, and we move on to a new game. As evening approaches, I start preparing dinner. The boys sit in their high chairs, watching me move around the kitchen. Jack comes home just in time to help. He plays with the boys while I finish cooking. Hearing their giggles from the other room always makes me smile. We sit down for dinner together, a moment of calm in our busy day. Well, calm until Leo decides to throw food on the floor, and Liam laughs so hard he spits out his milk. After dinner, we begin the bedtime routine. We give the boys their last bottle of milk and read them a bedtime story. Jack does all the funny voices, and the boys love it. Then we take them to their cribs. Some nights, they fall asleep right away. Other nights, one of them cries, and we take turns going back in to comfort them. Eventually, the house grows quiet. When the babies are asleep, Jack and I finally get a moment to ourselves. We sit on the couch, talking about our day or just enjoying the peace. Some nights, I'm so tired that I fall asleep right there next to him. My days are long and exhausting, but they're also full of love and laughter. Being a young mom is hard, especially with twins, but it's also the best thing I've ever done. I wouldn't trade this life for anything.